Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Klarna login not working issue. First, make sure that you are entering the correct email and password, and also make sure that your caps lock is not turned on. If you forgot your password, use the reset password option to create a new one. Next, scroll down from your phone screen and check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable connection and try logging in again. If you are using the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Klarna, swipe it away, then reopen it. You can also clear the app's cache from your phone setting. If you're using a browser, clear the browser's cache and cookies or try a different browser. Then restart the device and try logging in again. In most cases, these tips fix the problem. That's how you fix the Klarna login not working.